This plantation exists for one reason. The white part of an Oreo.
25 kilograms. One bunch. Enough palm oil for 4,000 Oreo creams.
From tree to mill in 4 hours. The clock starts the moment it's cut.
140 degrees Celsius. 3.0 bar. 90 minutes. The palm oil unlocks from inside the fruit.
Orange, crude, unrefined. This becomes the white Oreo cream.
Stage 1 of 4. The impurities leave. The oil gets closer to white.
Orange becoming yellow. Yellow becoming clear. One step remains. 260 degrees Celsius. High vacuum. The orange crude becomes crystal clear. For Oreo, Brazil, the world's largest sugar producer. Also heading to Oreo cream.
99.97% pure. Ground to 0.3 millimeters. The sweetness of Oreo cream. Chemically identical to real vanilla. Made in a reactor. Costs 1% of the real thing.
3 ingredients. 3 continents. 1 cream. Known by every human on Earth.
Beta prime crystals. Invisible to the naked eye. The secret of Oreo cream texture.
These crystals determine whether the cream feels smooth or grainy. Forever.
All 3 approved. The cream that fooled the world begins mixing now.
20 degrees Celsius. Sealed. Separate. This room makes the ingredient nobody talks about.
280 liters of refined palm oil. The foundation of every Oreo cream ever made.
220 kilograms of powdered sugar. Falling into palm oil. The cream begins.
450 RPM. The shear forces bind sugar into fat. White cream emerging.
45 minutes. Oil and sugar become white cream. Then the secret step begins. 24 nozzles. 4.5 bar. Food grade nitrogen. The secret inside every Oreo cream. 67% volume increase in 90 seconds. The cream you eat is 40% nitrogen. 0.67 grams per cubic centimeter. 40% nitrogen confirmed. Every batch. Every time.
400x magnification. The inside of Oreo cream. Nobody has shown you this before.
0.847 liters. Added last. Before would destroy it. The timing is everything.
25 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Structure maintained. The cream passes its final test. Gentle transfer. The nitrogen bubbles survive the journey. Every one of them. 3 test deposits, all within 0.05 grams. The machine is ready. Production begins. 0.15 seconds. The white on the black. The moment every Oreo is born.
The closest anyone has ever been to Oreo cream. This is what 40% nitrogen looks like. Every wafer embossed with 90 individual design elements. Moving at 832 per minute.
2 wafers. Same speed. Opposite directions. Meeting at 0.1 millimeter precision.
1,000 frames per second. The cream compresses. The Oreo is born. In 0.4 seconds.
Downward pressure only. The bottom wafer bond is stronger. By design. Since 1952.
10 twists. 10 correct results. The bond holds. Every hour. Every batch.
30 degrees Celsius cream. The twist fails. This is why 20 degrees Celsius is non-negotiable. Always.
847 versus 612 gram force. A 38% difference. Engineered. Deliberate. Since 1952.
2,000 frames per second. The bond that makes the twist test work. formed here.
11.30 grams average. The cream precision confirmed by the cookie's total weight.
0.4 millimeters average offset. The cream is essentially perfect in every direction.
6,656 data points per minute. Every Oreo cream fill. Permanently recorded.
Double the cream. Same physics. Same twist result. The engineering scales perfectly.
2008, 2012, 2015, 2019, 2023, 2026. Identical cream. The formula never changed.
94% of the nitrogen recovered. Recycled. The secret ingredient reused continuously. 100% twist test pass rate. 100% temperature compliance. The cream room never fails.
180 meters, 6 zones. The dark half of every Oreo made right here.
White flour, black cocoa, the marbled moment before they become one dark dough.
pH 8.0. Without Dutch processing, Oreo would be brown, not black. Everything changes.
4 liquids. Added in sequence. The dark powder becomes dark dough.
18 minutes, Sigma blades, the roughness becomes smooth, dark, perfect.
16.7% moisture. James's fingers confirm what the meter reads. Both agree. Near black. Glossy. 847 kilograms per hour. The Oreo color born in this dough.
35 millimeters to 7.2 mm. 3 stages. The Oreo thickness. Precise to 0.1 millimeter.
90 design elements per cookie. All 0.8 millimeters deep. Pressed in 0.08 seconds. Every one.
18% scrap. Returned immediately. 0 waste. Every gram becomes an Oreo. 7 zones. 204 degrees Celsius maximum. 91 meters. The darkness where Oreo gets its color.
204 degrees Celsius. pH 8.0 cocoa. The Maillard reaction. This is where Oreo becomes black.
88 degrees Celsius. From darkness. Perfect embossing. The near black Oreo wafer revealed.
88 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. 4 minutes, 45 meters. The snap develops here. During cooling.
16 cameras. 99.7% perfect. The wafer meets the cream next.
12,000 wafers waiting. 90 seconds of insurance. The line never stops for anything.
2,400 micro-corrections per minute. The cream lands at 0.4 millimeters from perfect center.
48 Oreos. Same 0.4 seconds. One every 0.072 seconds. The math is relentless.
The nitrogen collapses. Flavor releases instantly. Dopamine fires. Engineered.
Rats chose Oreos over cocaine. Every time. The pleasure center activated equally.
45% fat. 55% sugar. The peak of the human pleasure curve. Found in 1952.
5 degrees Celsius window. 20 degrees Celsius is the only temperature where Oreo cream performs perfectly. 4.2 seconds to melt completely. Faster than dairy cream. Engineered that way.
0.3 millimeter nozzle. 15 to 40 micron bubbles. The melt speed decided here. At this nozzle.
8.6 melt speed score. Rachel has scored 3,847 batches. This one scores above minimum.
91% want a second immediately. The trigger fires in 4.2 seconds. Every time.
You cannot taste the vanilla, but it amplifies sweetness by 12%. Invisibly. 5 degrees Celsius window. 20 degrees Celsius is the only temperature where Oreo cream performs perfectly.
18 degrees Celsius. 90 seconds. The crystals lock. The bond sets permanently. The Oreo is complete.
And 10 cookies. 10 perfect results. James marks it. The batch is performing perfectly.
498,447 Oreos. All systems green. The assembly is complete. Packaging is next.
The production ends here. The packaging begins. 832 Oreos per minute crossing over.
99.2% packaging efficiency. Monitored from here. Every parameter. Every second.
160 degrees Celsius. 3 seconds. Flat plastic becomes 14 Oreo compartments. 120 times per minute. 4 robots. 480 cookies per minute. Each one standing upright. In 1.75 seconds per tray.
4 layers. 50 reseal cycles. 140 degrees Celsius seal. The blue Oreo pack born in 0.8 seconds. 200 millibar vacuum. 3 seconds. 99.97% perfect seals. 2 failures per 10,000 packs.
Permanent, laser etched, cannot be removed. NOV 2027, ORE 2026 L30847, every pack.
480 packs per minute. Every character verified. 100% correct. 0 illegible codes today. 0.4 seconds. Flat to box. Hot melt at 175 degrees Celsius. 120 cartons per minute. Mechanical origami.
720 packs. 10,080 Oreos. Into cartons. Every minute. The math never pauses.
2 faces simultaneously. 240 prints per minute. Every carton traced to its ingredients. 0.5 seconds. Case erected. 12 cartons loaded. Case sealed. 1,008 Oreos secured. 11 days warning. The machine told us before it failed. We scheduled the fix already. 32,256 Oreos per pallet. 3.2 minutes to build. The robot starts the next immediately.
5 layers. RFID tagged. 32,256 Oreos secured. Identified. Ready for the world.
ISO 17025 accredited. 34 stations. This room decides if 27 million Oreos ship today.
6 samples, placed automatically by KUKA during production. Rachel retrieves them now. 39.8% nitrogen by volume. The invisible ingredient. Confirmed by gas chromatography.
Beta prime crystals. Correct structure confirmed. This is why the cream melts perfectly. 4.1 seconds. The cream melts at body temperature, faster than any dairy equivalent.
4 texture parameters. All approved. The mouthfeel of Oreo cream quantified completely.
851 versus a 618 gram force. 37.7% difference. The twist test works because of this number.
8 panelists. 8 parameters. Red lighting. Standardized. The human test that matters most.
8.6 repeat desire score. The cream engineered to score above 7.5. It scores 8.6. 7 pathogens. PCR results in 4 hours. Full confirmation in 72 hours. 0 tolerance.
4 pathogens. Not detected.
3 hours, 47 minutes.
The preliminary clearance is signed.
A. 0.243. Below 0.35. No organism can grow here. 12 months guaranteed by this number.
47 tests. 47 approved. The batch report signed. 27 million Oreos cleared to ship.
72 hours. The final test. The batch waits and hold. Rachel will sign it complete then.
60,000 square meters. 22 meters tall. 18 degrees Celsius. The Oreos enter the darkness.
16 cranes, moving simultaneously, 3.5 meters per second. Silent, precise, relentless.
847 pallets. Amber. Locked. No human can override. 71 hours, 23 minutes remaining. 84,247 pallets. 4 operators. 1 room. The warehouse brain never sleeps. Hour 24. The plates are clear. 48 hours remain. The Oreos wait in the amber zone. 34 trucks dispatched. From another batch. While ours waits, the warehouse never pauses.
48 hours. 3 microbiological parameters confirmed. 4 remain. 24 hours more. 28 trucks pre-booked. Before the release. The logistics prepared while Oreos wait.
Zero. 7 pathogens. All clear. The batch is completely safe.
11:47:23. Rachel signs. The amber becomes green. 27 million Oreos are free.
847 pallets. Green. Simultaneously, Rachel's signature released 27 million Oreos.
70 hours and 47 minutes. The first pallet finally moves. The wait is over.
25 destinations, 847 pallets sorting, 28 trucks waiting. The world gets its Oreos.
Pallet 23, his batch, made 72 hours ago. He watches it leave without saying anything.
NABSCL, Broken 6, Sir Ribbon.
8 trucks, 8 directions, 1 batch, 1 factory, 1 afternoon in Chicago.
600 kilometers, 5.5 hours, 1,516,032 Oreos heading south. The journey begins.
8 blue dots, all moving, all green. Elena watches them leave Chicago, her job complete.
The Mississippi River. 340 kilometers remaining, the Oreos cross another state line.
185,000 square meters. Seal intact. 5 minutes early. The Walmart chain receives. 47 pallets. 8 minutes. 100% match. The Walmart supply chain absorbs flawlessly.
340 stores, 12 states, 1 batch. The Walmart supply chain distributes perfectly.
0230. Bentonville to Chicago. Our Oreos traveling north. Back to where they started.
The Oreos passed the factory that made them. Still running. Making tomorrow's batch.
0647. 13 minutes before opening. The Oreos arrive at their final destination.
Aisle 7, Bay 4. The Oreos' final address. After 72 hours and 1,200 kilometers.
7 a.m. The shelf is full. The store opens. Aisle 7, Bay 4. The Oreos are ready. 4,032 Oreos. 1 store, 1 hour, 27 million in the batch. All moving this fast.
12 facilities, 4 continents, 40 billion Oreos. Every year, without stopping once.
The same 3 ingredients. The same process. Since 1952. The secret never changed.
1912 to 2026, 114 years. The cream formula changed once, in 1952. Never again.
8 people touched this Oreo. From Malaysian plantation to suburban Chicago shelf.
The bubbles, the crystals, the 4.2-second melt, the 91% repeat desire, all in here.
8.4 versus 6.8. The gap between Oreo cream and every competitor. Uncopyable. 10,000 consumers. 0 knew. 40% of Oreo cream is nitrogen. Nobody told them. Until now.
9 human interventions. His record is 8. He missed by 1. Tomorrow he tries again.
Section by section. The line goes quiet. Packaging first. Mixing last. In 4 minutes.
The cream room cleans itself. 45 minutes. 5 stages. Ready for tomorrow's batch.
The day shift leaves. The night shift arrives. Line 3 will run again in 47 minutes.
1,862,447 Oreos.
8 hours, 17 minutes. Badge out. James Kowalski, line 3.
This is how modern factories produce Oreo. The cream is palm oil, sugar, and nitrogen. Nobody told you that. Until now.